What up, kinfolk? This is a marinade for a steak, for a ribeye steak that I'm doing. We got some balsamic vinegar. We got some Worcestershire sauce. We got some soy sauce. We got a splash of mustard. It said Dijon mustard, but I don't like mustard anyway, so I just put a little bit in there. We got some black pepper and 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, give it a little sweetness. Look at that thick old ribeye over there in the side corner pocket of the thing, whatever. Then we got some heaping tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. And that was some oil, some vegetable oil. The recipe said for olive oil, didn't have none. Better do what it do. And this one take right here, if I mess up, it is what it is. Let me take that big, thick cut ribeye. It's choice. I was looking for prime, but I said, good Lord, this prime expensive. We're going to go with choice. And I'm going to put some of the marinade in the bag, and I'm going to marinate it. It say, sometimes it say like 20 minutes, sometimes it say 8 hours. I had that thing in that refrigerator overnight. You hear me? Yeah. Then we're going to cook something. I don't know what we're cooking. Hey, we got the bacon that I sliced up for the little side item action for what I'm doing with this dish. I'm gonna brown the bacon. Then I'm gonna saute it for a bit. Yeah, look at that. I need to find a way. I know it ain't no find a way. I want to hear the bacon sizzle. I guess I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that because I'm ignorant to this voiceover stuff. And it's only going down once. I ain't got that time. Then we got the bacon looking all good and delicious in the pan. Let me just let y'all look at it. Show y'all the visual. Yep, I'm still sauteing the bacon. I'm still sauteing the bacon. Then I'm taking it out of the grease. But that grease ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna use that grease. You hear me? Emptying the pan. Yep. Look at the skill of taking the bacon out of the pan. Yep, I did that. Then we're gonna wash off some Brussels sprouts. Just spray them off real good before we start cutting them. Like I said, we cutting the Brussels sprouts. You know what I'm showing y'all is just this is what you call a filler. I'm doing it with intensity. It's some intense Brussels sprouts cutting. You hear me? Hope y'all enjoying this. Yeah, it's nice. It's real nice. I shouldn't have filmed all this. This makes I hope this is over soon. Because how many Brussels sprouts can I show you? I don't know what I was thinking. It was late. I got off work. Then we got some onions. We're going to cut them up. I cut up the second half of onion a little thinner than I did the first one. I was like, man, these too big. I'm tripping. We're going to put the onions. Ooh, that's that bacon grease. Yep, that's bacon grease. And the Brussels sprouts is going in there. Yeah, I did that. I did that. And I asked the chef for his advice before I did something crazy like that. He said, man, it's going to taste good. I said, okay, well, I'm going to do it. So we're going to saute that till it get all good and brown. We put a little salt and pepper in there. Ooh, I was never really crazy about Brussels sprouts. I wasn't really crazy about cabbage when I was smaller. I guess my taste buds changed. My palate was more intensified. So now I like it. I like it a lot. Everything tastes better with bacon grease though. So hey, that's the pepper and the salt that I put on there. I don't know if y'all saw the salt. Look at the salt right there. Hey, I say, how about I throw a little more bacon grease in there? Yep, I did that. Yeah, how about some more bacon grease? Can't go wrong with bacon grease. No, but it did add a lot of flavor to the dish. It was quite delicious. That's how they do it. That's how these chefs do it around here. But he said he uses a bacon vinaigrette. I said, good Lord, where they sell that at? He said, we make it. I said, man, I ain't, good Lord, I can't make no bacon vinaigrette. I can't even make the vinaigrette. I know where to get the bacon from, though. Then I put some balsamic vinegar in that because I didn't have a balsamic reduction. So I knew I didn't have none of that at the house, but that added a little flavor to it. And it had the flavor that you'll savor. And I added the bacon to it. Ooh-wee! These are the most unhealthy Brussels sprouts you've ever eaten in your life, but they taste so good. So good. Then we got some scallops. You won't see me put the salt on it because it didn't show the salt dropping on it, but I did. And I got some paprika. And I got a real hot pan for these scallops. Yeah, when you cook scallops, they have to be over very high heat. If you just want to pan sear them, because it cooks quick, but you don't want to overcook them. Because then they'll be tough, like gator meat. We don't want gator meat scallops. I don't know if gator meat tough. Whatever. I'm gonna brown one side. And that tongue ain't really doing nothing. I was like, man, I need a bigger tongue or something. I need a fight with them scallops. You tried to turn them over. I was wrestling with them. So that's a good color right there. What I did when I got them turned over, I just turned the heat off. Let them cook for like a minute through. That's all I needed. Like medium well scallops, medium. Probably medium. Mine was like medium well, whatever. I'm not gonna cook them all the way through though. I want to give it that good soft taste. Who don't like scallops, man? I don't understand. People say they don't like scallops. Man, you tripping. You like little bay scallops. Then I got frustrated with the tone, so I was like, man, bump this. I'm gonna use my fingers, man. I got some rough fingers anyway. I can use this. My hands clean. I ate this food. I ain't cooking for nobody else. Leave me alone. My hands clean, still clean though. I don't even know if I turned all of them over. I like bump it. No, I'm just playing. And then voila, these are scallops. Set them aside, and I got that marinated steak back. It's finna be busting too. And I put some wood in the fire, and I'm gonna put that steak on the grill over the wood. Yeah. I don't know why I filmed this so long. I'm gonna flip it over. Try some diamond marks. Didn't work. But it still look delicious though. It's thick. Thing thick. Yeah. Almost overcooked it, but it was good. It looked like a big piece of black meat right there, but it's not. It's just a bad lighting. And I cut it up. You didn't want to see me cut that because I got one eye. And it's just bad sometimes. Then I put the Brussels sprouts and bacon and onion mixture on there with the bacon grease. I'm telling you, it's delicious now. No, it's delicious. Then I'm gonna put the scallops over it eventually. See how people don't like scallops, man. Scallops are delicious. Tripping. Put like what? 7, 8 of them on there? Eventually, good Lord, I'm taking forever. Man, look good. I don't care what you say. That one ain't stay in place, but whatever. And I put a steak on the plate. That's a good medium well. And that's what I'm eating today. Let's get it. I'm back with another mukbang. Truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin'. Let's get it. Bussin'. You got to trust the Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin'. Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin'. It is what it is. You hear me? Hey, me. I'm back with another mukbang. Hey, we got a surf and turf. We got a ribeye, a wood fire flame ribeye, and we got some scallops over some sauteed Brussels sprouts, bacon, and onions. This is a surf and turf mukbang. And I feel a little elegant too. And we got some yum sauce, and we finna get it in. But first, I'm gonna quit talking like this in a minute. Hey, we got the coldest water bottle. Still chilling with the kinfolk. Link in the description. Use Lil Gizmo. Get you 10% off your entire purchase. Coldest water bottle. Go get you one. Lil Gizmo Eats. Come get you some. Hey man, hey, I'm just chilling. I'm just messing with y'all. Hey, this a little elegant. You know, it's a ribeye. Cooked to medium. Yeah, a little medium well. Oh well. Y'all saw how I did it. Look at that. Look at that. I felt like, you know, this was kind of upscale. You know what I'm saying? Huh? That almost melted in my mouth. Delicious. Wasn't no big intro today either, was it? Man, you know that cooking took us long enough to get here. Okay. This meal busting. This meal busting on all type of surf and turf meal levels. You hear me? I got a yummy sauce. I'm giving scallops in there. Delicious.
Candy Crush. How y'all doing, kinfolk? Is everything copacetic? Good. That's real good. The most unhealthy Brussels sprouts you ever seen in your life, I guarantee it. Ain't too raw. Ain't too done. Hey, Kool-Aid! Oh yeah! Let's go, baby. Feel like I should be holding my fork like this. I frequent this fine dining establishment often. Something sounded redundant in that, but oh well. All I smell in my nostrils is smoke. That's all I smell. When I said wood fired, that's what I mean, you hear me? Kinfolk. I ate 4 hot dogs yesterday. That's a lot for me. On a non-shooting day, and the day before I shoot. People looking at me like, how come we got a hot dog eating contest and ain't nobody tell me? Well, I don't know. That's cold, baby. I don't know how this tastes in there. I ain't gonna do that again. But these scallops though, this is a meal fit for a king. King Guillermo. I can't resist. Cause y'all know y'all asking for it. Oh yeah! It just don't feel right when you can't see it. Oh Lord. Gonna be outro right quick, like. Russian. Let me chill out. I saw on Instagram what I told most of some of y'all seen it. I went to my eye doctor yesterday and got measured to put a to put a lens in my eye. Like a contact lens itself forever. Like an artificial lens. So it ain't gonna make it 100%. I mean, but it ain't gonna make you blind either. I said, okay, whatever works. And then he said, Doc be thinking about my finances, right? He said, and you met your deductible, but your insurance, he said you have to, because we already been through one, so I said, yes, sir. He said, so the doctor said, so let's get it in then. How about that? I said, okay. Then he pulled the stethoscope out. We talked about the surgery. And we went over there. And the lady, like, such and such gonna get back in contact with you. So I said, okay. Then he put a stethoscope out. He said, well, let me hear some stuff. I said, what? This don't thing you need to worry about right here. Then he put his stethoscope on. He said, I said, what? And he put it in my back. He said, breathe in. Breathe out. Deep breath. What's that? You in my eye. And he said a little something about my heart. And I said, shut up. No, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. But my thing is, it's a shortage of gloves. Is it a shortage of gloves in the healthcare field? Because not everybody had on masks, but ain't nobody have on gloves. And when I say nobody, nobody. Had little type of things I ain't never seen before. Antibacterial spray, whatever you call that. I forget it right now, but it'll come to me. And they doing all that. It's like in a little can. It look real professional. But that don't count. Because, what was his name? Waka Flocka say, in Waka Flocka science, if you do it twice, that's enough. If you do it more than twice, that breaks down the protective barrier on your skin. So, I seen at least 30 of them doing it. Another thing, it was too many nurses in there yesterday. I don't know why. But I say, ain't nobody here practicing social distances. But about 13 nurses touched my eyelids because they had to do exams. I'm like, golden monkey, golden monkey, golden monkey. She touched my lip by mistake. I ain't licked my lips for a whole day. She said, oh, I'm sorry. I said, you finna be. Because if my temperature go up, I'm coughing on you. I promise. I promise. It made no sense. There's too many in there. And nobody having no glove. I had to do 1, 2, 3, 4 like scans yesterday. Woman come right to this. Another thing, it's like a prison in there. Everybody got to escort you everywhere. I said, I know what it is. She said, yeah, but I have to take you. I ain't never committed no crimes in my life. I'm lying. Whatever. No felonies. Let me say that. We'll say felonies. Something making me thirsty. You steak, Negro. She touched my cheek, took my whole head, and lined it up. And I said, well, this one's straight. He said, no, we gotta do that one too. Then she took her pinky and lifted my eyelid up. Cause for whatever reason, I look sleepy all the time. And I got some lazy eyelids, especially this one. This one pretty much sleep. This one pretty much unemployed. It ain't lazy, it's sorry. This is sorry eye, not a lazy eye, it's a sorry eye. Don't make no sense, but I'm getting it fixed. Then the woman that touched my lips, she was doing the numbing drops for my dang, I'm forgetting everything already. Chest the pressure. She just whoo. I said whoo. Anyway, oh, I'm getting woozy just thinking about that. No gloves, and these people in these other rooms, I ain't even see them in their hands. So if y'all see a black dude on the news running around coughing on everybody, it's probably me. I guarantee it. I ain't going by myself. And there was like 30 nurses in there. I don't know why it was so many. One of them was walking around with a clipboard when I was getting my eyes measured, my lens measured, and the person that measured them walked away. And she stood there in front of me. And I'm sitting in a chair like this. And she, okay, we'll say it. She had her belly in my face. And I'm looking at her like, and she looking at me like, sitting, I'm here to be impatient. And yeah, she's coming. She just, I said, yeah, I know what she's doing. She told me, why are you in my face with your belly in my face? Holding a clipboard. Man, I know you better not stink, because I'm going to talk about you. If you do, you're too close to me. Everybody just too close. And then they didn't have to be there because half the nurses in there wasn't even working. They were just standing around. I guess they getting that clock. They making up all the time they miss. I don't know. I ain't get no temperature or nothing. So I guess I ain't coughing on anybody, but hey. You let me start sweating, I'm gonna start clearing my throat. You don't need that many people around me. I'm just, whatever. I left there and went by the dentist office. For y'all that follow me, y'all know I've been trying to get my money back from the dentist office because they talking about they couldn't file the insurance on the weekend. What? Whatever. And the girl told me she had taken care of it. It'd be 7 to 10 business days. I said, something say, hey. I said, huh? Go by the dentist office, man, and see if they got your money. Or see where your money ain't came yet. Because it's been like 3 weeks now. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I said, okay. Go up in there. And I know the voice of the girl that I was speaking to. I know her. She was at the front desk. I said, yeah. I said, I'm David. I talked to you on the phone about my little insurance issue. She said, oh, what's your name? And I knew she knew who I was. So she went and talked to her assistant office manager, and the assistant office manager talked to the office manager, and they talking about, doesn't sound familiar. I said, okay. I'm gonna raise my voice just a little bit. Just a little bit. I said, yeah, I came such and such, and the assistant office manager will let me get to the office manager, the one who originally told me I'd get my money back. And she said, probably $200 something. She said, okay, yeah, it's showing that you're getting the refund. I said, yeah, I know, that's what y'all told me. And she said, and then she went and talked to the office manager, and I heard them whispering. And she came back, she said, yeah, you get your $107 back in another 5 to 7 days. I said, $107? I said, this ain't worth the trouble. And I just got up and left. I said, well, y'all got me. If y'all want to see me again, you send me another survey. And I'm going to say the same thing on each survey. Y'all suck. I ain't got time for dishonest people. It's all good though. My grandbaby birthday coming up. Sorry. And it's gonna be an extravaganza of all proportions. Sparkling apple cider everywhere, baby food everywhere, apple juice and apple sauce everywhere. Valet tractor parking, cause it's in the country. I get this day of work out the way. It's Thursday that I'm filming. I'm off for 4 days with my grandbaby. And I might go visit some other people too. But it's my grandbaby. Hey, that P.O. box. That P.O. box, I got 2 packages in the P.O. box the other day. I was on Instagram Live yesterday. And they say, open them. I said, I'm doing a video. This one from Tamika. Tamika McDaniel. Her address is this one. Let me open this. Y'all know she patiently waiting. I'm gonna cut there. And you should move all the stuff out of the way. That will work. Yeah, hurry up. Let me put this over here. I'm finished with this steak. I forgot about these packages. So I'm trying to get this. I don't want the video to be too long. The anticipation is, my brain ain't working right. The anticipation is something. Whatever. What did? Uh-oh. Chef bussin'. Uh-oh. I'm like EA Sports. I'm in the game. Oh, yes, sir. Now this one. Appreciate it, Tamika. Come get to you. Wait a second. I know what this one is because I Googled it. She didn't put a name on it, but I Googled the company. The company had the return address. It's a big one. I was like, man, I hope anybody sent me no. Let me Google this, see where this thing came from. Mama loves mambo. What am I gonna do with all this? I'm gonna cook a lot of fish and chicken. That's what it's going right there. Mama sauce going to chicken. There was a name on him. It ain't from nobody. They left the price on here and everything. Appreciate you, Ken, for love you. I do, man. I love you a lot. Something I can do different. I ain't never had mambo sauce. Ting. This could be the thunder. No, it ain't. It might be, no, cause I don't know how to do it like that. If I got to send, whatever. Ting. Put a screenshot on your phone. Ting. You know, put the names up here who sent it to me. Cause you said it was gonna be 4 to 6 weeks, and I was like, well, what y'all mail service? Y'all still use Stagecoaches or something? Y'all still use Pony Express? Good Lord, where this come from? Heaven? I wanna taste it. Nah, ain't gonna open it just yet. I got a Washington D.C. style wing sauce. I told my cousin somebody sent me some, and he said that's gonna be bussin'. I'm finna try it though. Yes, I am. Capital City Mambo sauce. Come get you some. I'm just so happy somebody sent me something. I'm just so happy I got something. Maybe I will keep the P.O. box now. Maybe I keep it. Yeah. Appreciate you, kinfolk. Love you. Appreciate you, Tamika. Love you, kinfolk. I'm Chef Bussin'. Without struggle, there is no victory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Oh yeah, ain't gonna be no last bite. This video, like all my other videos, is all over the place. You know, I'm tripping. And share the video out, man. Please share it. Share the cooking portion of it. I really didn't say much in the video, but I got my gifts. I'm Chef Bussin'. You know me. And I'm gonna fry some chicken up and cook that mambo sauce. You hear me? I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I love y'all, man. Say a prayer for me, your mama, your daddy, your kids, your kinfolk, and your enemies. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's why they're your enemies. They need some prayers. They need Jesus in their life. They really do. If you know to work, like I said, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'm gonna have a video before this, but happy birthday to baby Graceland anyway. She gonna see it. No, she ain't gonna see this on Saturday. This gonna be out tomorrow. But anyway, today Thursday. Like I said, today Thursday. I love y'all, man. I'm rambling. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay kinfolk.